everybody, it's BJ Broussard here at Primo RV. BJB at PRV. We're doing a walkthrough on this 3100. It's a 2020 3100 RD Imagine. This floor plan came out not that long ago. It's got double slides in the living room, really unique there, and a lot of space in the bedroom. When we come through this one, look how large, okay? This is 47 cubic feet of pass-through storage with the docking station on the other side, hot and cold utility shower in that docking station. You have so as we come through here, you notice the solid steps. They're made by MORryde. They're called Step Above. They're just like the Lippert steps. These are actually really nice steps. You step on them, the camper barely shakes. Those solid steps should be on everything on our lot. You have the TV hookups out here underneath the awning. It's about a 16-foot awning. Decent size awning for sure. So now that we're inside the Imagine 3100 RD, you notice just again a very unique floor plan when it comes to how this is set up. It's got two slides in the living room. It's got a smaller slide here with the couch that opens up, makes a trifold. You have another couch right here that opens up and makes a trifold. So in this living room, you could sleep 4 more individuals without needing a bunk. I mean, really awesome setup. So with the theater seats facing the TV, you notice there's a couple little LED strips up here, so there's kind of ambient lighting throughout here. You have some at the stove. Motion sensor lighting throughout, at the door, in the pass-through storage. This particular unit has a full pantry with the motion sensor light in there, so that way if you open it, it'll automatically get going. You don't have to worry about trying to find a light switch. Really good counter space in here. If you look, you've got a lot of counter space right here next to the stove, and a lot of counter space right here next to the sink. Lots of drawers, lots of cabinets. You have this table right here. It's a 2-seater, but when you lift up on it, you can actually bring it back and slide it. And that way it's in a different direction, which gives you a little bit more space if need be, which is a really cool thing that Imagine started doing on this particular unit. You have the gas and electric fridge on this as well. You have the 5,000 BTU fireplace in front of the 50-inch TV. So that's really the only heat you're gonna need. No propane, it's all electric. You come in here, you look at the bathroom, really good stand-up shower, porcelain toilet. These cubby holes right here, a lot of our customers will roll up towels and stick them in there, save on space. When we come through the bedroom, it's got a really open door frame. It's about 3 inches wider than the regular door frame, so it gives you that much more space. Now, if you look here, you notice they didn't lose any space. Typically, you'll see it stop right here and it's just kind of shallow, but you know, there's nothing there. Well, on these Imagines, they went ahead and put 2 drawers in its place. 2 drawers, you still have the closet on both sides. And additionally, you have this closet right here. We call that lanyard down here. So, a little extra storage, couple of drawers, 2 ACs. Your first AC is gonna be 15. Your bedroom AC is gonna be 13.5. And they're both completely ducted Coleman Mach AC, so they do run quiet. Again, thank y'all so much for doing this walkthrough with me. It's BJB here at Primo RV. Thank y'all so much. Have a great day.